Let's try this. Is this good?
Well, the top part. Oh, that's good.
Wait. Is my screwdriver up there? Yeah, there it is. Alright, tension fully secured. Number one thing. Done that. Whoops, I'm looking at that camera anyway. If they be not tight, you know what happens. The motor, and no fixing that. Alright, that shouldn't come off for a couple days. I'm done. Alright, here goes the banger. This is the connector part. Go put this on. Alright, well, we'll get on the front now. Now, which do I do first? Oh, I actually have a whole bunch of parts to do first. Front's on. Front door. Now I'm getting all mixed up. Anyway, something's gonna fit sometime. I know this goes there. Where do these go? But now I'm all confused. Do they go together? No, they don't go together. Connect to the water sensor. Maybe it's on the control panel. It's probably just on the control panel. I get all confused. Oh. Wait. We actually have to wait a minute. Put this on first. Next step. Mustn't forget this. Whoa! We are almost done. And this can go in now. Anyway, here we go. Next step. Now the fun part. Here we go. Almost there. Now we just have to do the top. So before I do, let's just check some of the electronics here. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. We'll see if it explodes or not. All right. Yes. Yes. It smells a bit LED in there. All right. Plug in. Giving me the nerves. On your marks, you say if I die, it'll be on camera. Woohoo! Yay! Yes! Woohoo! It did it! Woohoo! No squeaks! It's perfect! Yo! Now it's time to clean up. Make do over and out. Yes. And just in case you didn't know, well, I'm just trying to. There's 3 seconds left, so I'm just going to try to procrastinate. Make do productions, you know me. Anyway, is it 30 seconds yet? 55, 56, 57, 58. Thanks for joining me today. See you later. Bye.